riding round in a rover. If I see ops and it's over, I'll send man straight to Jehovah when I take shots like M. Sharapova. Doing up tennis, call man Dennis, I'm a menace. Doing up olives in Venice, big man ting, I'm bigger than Venice. Stop it. Otherwise unknown P might bash man's head straight down like a bop it. So make like a Frodo and hop it. Your girl is 4'4" and got bare hair on her toes like a hobbit. If I see her in the club, then I'm doing up AJ the way that I weave and bob it. And I never have porridge at Nan's because it's oh so lumpy. And if ops wanna throw some hands, then I just draw for the pumpy. Look at me, I'm unknown T. I've got brains and a deep voice. And when I bend my back and then dig it, I really hurt my knee joints. Got a song called Throwback, but my girl got no back. And if you wanna talk unknowns, then you better talk P, just know that.